In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your webmail, select specific emails, and back them up efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can ensure your important emails are safely stored. The first step is logging into your webmail. Start by navigating to your Hostinger webmail login page. Alternatively, you can log in via your hPanel account if you find that more convenient. Once you're in hPanel, head over to the email section, and from there, you'll need to click on Manage. This option will lead you directly to the webmail login interface. It's crucial to have your login credentials handy to make this process smooth, so make sure you remember your email and password without any hassle. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself in the webmail interface. This is where you can see all your emails organized neatly. Now, it's time to decide which emails you want to back up. You have the flexibility of selecting individual emails, or for a more comprehensive backup, you can choose entire folders. Many webmail interfaces offer a convenient Select All button, which is particularly useful if you're aiming to back up everything within a specific folder. Allocating a few moments to decide on this step ensures your backup is precise and includes everything you intend to keep. Once you've made your selections, the next stage is to export those emails. Look around the webmail toolbar or perhaps delve into the settings. This is where you'll typically find the export or download options. Clicking on this will often prompt a window or a drop-down menu, giving you the choice of different file formats. Common formats you may encounter include Mbox or MailDir, both of which are widely used for email backups. Selecting the right file format is essential, so make sure you choose one that is compatible with your needs and future access plans. Now that you've initiated the export, the final step is to save the file. You'll usually be asked where you want to store this backup on your computer. Take a moment to select a location that is safe and easy for you to remember. It's wise to choose a folder where you'll be able to easily locate your emails in the future. Regularly backing up your emails ensures that you never lose important communications, and organizing them well keeps this task stress-free. And there you go. You've successfully backed up your emails through your webmail. Regular backups can really save a lot of headaches in the future and provide peace of mind knowing your important messages are securely stored. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.